How to change address in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change address in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically change your address on Amazon, all you have to do is open up the Amazon application and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Now what you have to do is to simply tap on the little profile like icon that you would be able to find here, and from here you can simply go to this option called your account. Now once you go to your account, from here simply scroll and look for an option called your addresses. Under account settings you'll find your addresses, tap on it. Then here you'll find all the addresses that you have, so you can tap on the edit button to this current address, or you can simply go ahead and choose to add a new address, whether it is a delivery address or a residential address or billing address. So make sure you enter those, and once done just tap on the save or the add address option, and then you will be able to add them. This way you can basically change address in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.